On my last episode, binisita namin ang Las Casas Pilipinas de Acuzar.
Ito, John Street.
At sa pagpapatuloy ng aking video dito sa Las Casas Pilipinas de Acuzar, malugod kong ibahagi ang tripping episode. Samahan niyo ako sa aking adventure. Tara guys, let's go! Bago nga pala kami sumakay ng balsa, pagdating namin sa Las Casas ay nag-registered muna kami at pagkatapos ay sumakay kami ng jeep courtesy ng Las Casas at inihatid kami sa aming tripping destination. So dito pa lang guys, ay Diyos mio, manghang-mangha na kami sa kagandahan ng baybayin na aming nakita. Tingnan nyo naman, oh my gosh, ang ganda, super. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganitong baybayin. Sulit na sulit talaga yung bayad nyo, kaya pumunta na kayo dito. I really recommend this place for you to visit and put on your bucket list.
in the year 1908 to 1926, this house became the first building of the University of the Philippines School of Fine Arts, wherein the first director of it is also the owner of this house. And this is also where some of our national artists practice their skills in painting, like Fernando Morsolo and Carlos Botong Francisco. Okay? And before we leave this house, do you believe that this house already has CCTV before, way back 1860? Yes, but during that time, it's already HD CCTV. Yes po, meron po talaga. And here in Las Casas, we called it CC Silip. Yan, because silip lamang po tayo because actually, it's just a peephole. Peephole that is by the owner of this, the house to see the one who is knocking in his door. It is located in, doon po sa may tapat po ng pinto, no? But I'm sorry now, I cannot show it to you because, ayan po, may nagaganap po ngayon dyan sa loob. Kaya sa akin po ako, later po siguro in the afternoon, if you have free time, kung wala na pong ganap dito, pwede naman po natin sabayan yung ibang nagtutour to check that CCTV, okay? But it's just a peephole po sa tapat po ng pinto. And so, okay po, again, this is our Casa Quiapo from Quiapo, Manila. And for now po, let's move to our next house.
Casa Quiapo. Ito. Kasi may sasakyan dadaan. Inigid ko na doon sasakyan. Yan, salika na.
It's again our Casa Tondo from Tondo, Manila. And that one naman po, that is our Casa Megawayan from Megawayan, Bulacan. Okay? But that house po was first built in San Fernando, Pampanga in the year 1913 under the ownership of Mr. Chudores Coto. Then in the year 1950, that house was bought by Mr. Rogelio Lucha and it was transferred from San Fernando, Pampanga to Megawayan, Bulacan. Okay? And when Mr. Akzar bought this house, it was transferred here in Las Casas, and here it also serves as one of our rental houses, consists of 5 rooms. Okay, so again, our Casa Megawayan from Megawayan, Bulacan, and for our next house, some of their soldiers to spy here in the Philippines, and one of them applied as a driver in the Arasca family. And when the World War II started and the Japanese troops are here in our country, this house, our Casa Lubao, became their garrison before or headquarters. And usually before, after they use the house as their garrison, before they leave, they will burn it down together with the family who live in the house. And when they are going to burn this house, the colonel of those Japanese soldiers opposed to the plan. And that Japanese colonel is also the one who became driver in the Arasca family. Okay, he stopped the plan of burning the house because in his 10 years of serving as a driver in the Arasca family, they treated him as a part of their family. That's why he did not let the house to be destroyed and the family to get harmed. Okay, and as of now, when the house was transferred here, the ground floor of it po serves now as our activity center here. This is where you can avail some of our activities like the Calesa ride, Balsa ride, Hotel Doriente viewing. They also have bikes for rent here, vintage cars like those for rent. And our water activities po, you can also avail those water activities inside this house. Okay? And in front, we also have an
So, ayun guys, natapos ng ating house tripping at itutuloy ko naman ang ating balsa ride. So, in this area guys, ay nasa Lagoon ho tayo at bumaba tayo sa isa sa mga destination na pinababaan nila. So, kailangan nating bumaba guys. Syempre, kailangan nating kumapture at magpicture-picture dito banda. Tingnan nyo naman, para kang nasa ibang bansa. Hindi ko talaga sukat akalain na mayroon pa palang ganito kaganda dito sa lugar na to. yung magandang view na kita mo yung mountain, kita mo yung dagat, yung pathwalk nila, yung bay, yung greenery, malinis. At siya nga pala guys, pag pumunta kayo dito, kailangan yung mag sunblock kasi mainit. Hindi mo sukat akalain na mapapamangha ka sa lugar. Ayan, si madam ko guys, nagpicture-picture siya dyan, kasama yung tour guide namin. Kita nyo naman guys, abot tanaw yung bundok, yung lagoon, may dagat, all in one talaga guys, para kang nasa ibang bansa.
Hindi ka na. Dito. Out of this world.
Siguro po yung ulo po na yun nasa gina.
So guys, dito na lang muna ang aking video. Kita-kits tayo sa susunod na episode ng aking Las Casas trip. See you next week. Bye! Thank you for watching. God bless!